You may have looked at our educational animation and thought to yourself, but I have a whole heap of topics to discuss. Would this actually suit me? Well, we can work with you to develop a series of short animation dissecting one big theme into short, easily digestible pieces.
Think of it as your favorite TV show. At Creative Concepts, we divide the whole season into episodes. Each episode will be short, precise enough for people to understand, as well as have a cliffhanger at the end to keep your audience engaged on your topic.
Sometimes simplification leads to misrepresentation or worse, wrong information. Which is why at Creative Concept we work together with you to make sure that information, while simplified, still holds the ultimate truth.
We hold the principles of the great Albert Einstein, who once said, "If you can't explain it simply enough, then you don't understand it yourself well enough."
It might be an opportunity for you to save your program. Would you capture it or would you let it slip?
Drop us a message for your first consultation.